Topic is down payment, which is also called as advance payment. So this is the basic part. When any advance payment is made or received, there is no invoice. That is why these are called special GL transactions. Both for customer and a vendor it is applied. Basically, when assets become liability and liability become assets, these are called special GL condition. Okay. Let's say in case of vendor, when we have to give any advance to any vendor, then its GL is created under current assets and vice versa. We are giving any advance to vendor. Okay. So let's see its configuration first, then we will see its end user part. Before this, let's create the GL. There are two GLs that we need to create. One is for down payment request vendor and another is for down payment to vendor. When it is actually made, first one is it is kind of a note that we are requesting to the vendor to make some advance. So there is a single letter which indicates request, it is F, and for payment it is A. A for down payment and F for down payment request. Let me show you the GLs. For vendor, it's under current assets. Down payment request vendor, it is created just like a reconciliation account. Part of current asset under balance sheet. Down payment request vendor, it is text. Currency, select the reconciliation account vendor, sort key 012, and field status G026. And second GL, it is also in reconciliation, same created as the first one, down payment request vendor. Into cursor. Okay. Down payment vendor. Down payment vendor control data INR, same as we have created the request part. Now interest calculation. Okay. And for customer as well, these are created under the current liabilities. Down payment request customer. Okay, the only difference is field status code. It is Z031, consider down payment received, and reconciliation is customer and sort key 031. This is the only difference. Now let's move to the configuration part after creation of GL. Reference ING, financial accounting name, ARAP, business transaction. Okay, down payment received is for customer and down payment made is for vendor. So let's see for customer first. Define alternative reconciliation account for down payments. Okay, these are the special GL indicator. Here we are going to use F and A. First click on F, click, select your chart of account, and here you have to give the we are doing for vendor. Okay, vendor reconciliation, your main reconciliation account for vendor, and here what you have created the reconciliation for the payment request. Select those, go back and then come back to A. Select your main reconciliation account for vendor and then the other reconciliation that we have created, vendor payment. Likewise we need to do for customer here. Okay, F and A, F and A. Then postings with alternative. Now let's go to the end user part. /1. I will be doing for customer advance payment, and we have received some advance payment from the customer, accounts receivable, then down payment at 37 for request. Let's take it for back date 25th of select from which customer you are receiving and select your special transaction indicator A. It will be A in both the cases when we are making the request and when we are actually receiving the payment. Okay. Enter amount. Let's say we are receiving IK due on text. Okay, 14 document posted. Now there is no accounting entry for this request because we are simply making a request. It has no impact on our books. So to see this, FPL 3N, select your GL. It was on payment request customer. Should this select noted item? Okay, if you don't select it, it won't come. See, there is no item. Now select noted item, execute. 5000, document type is the site. Okay, advance payment request. Now let's make the down payment. Bank account. We are receiving the advance, which would be incoming. Amount, value rate, payment. Okay, special GL indicator A. Fine. Star. document posted. Now let's see its impact. And first C3N, select both the GL accounts, down payment, customer. Down payment request open, down payment customer open, 0 funds payment. Now check FPL1 and FPL, yeah, and no, not FPL1 and it is FPL5 and should be 5 and document. Okay, I think this is my customer. Right. You need to select special GL transaction here, otherwise it won't show you. No entry. Select special GL, execute. See, 5,000. Reset. Okay, we have received an advance of 5,000. Now we will post an customer invoice and will receive the final payment. Let's pass a customer invoice. FP70. Yes, FP70. Document entry. Okay, so I have received an advance of 5K. So let's say the total invoice amount is 15. My customer, my customer invoice due date is today. Here you have to give the complete amount of an invoice. What is it? Customer sales, okay. Sales will be credit, customer account debit to sales account. Star. Plus. See, it will give you an 5,000 non-payment received from this customer. Right click, okay, and post an invoice. Document posted. See, PL5N. All item. Now we have the total amount of invoice was 15. Okay, here it is DZ, out of which 5,000 we have received in advance, DZ 5K. Okay, so the remaining balance that we will be receiving from a customer is 10K. Okay, now before making the final payment, we need to clear this item manually. How we are going to do this? F-39 clearing. Okay, let me open another screen. FPL5 and okay, what was the document number? Document date. Okay, it is Copy document date. Account. Advance payment clearing. Process down payment. Where is the document number? Is it? Right. Select this one. If you have multiple down payment received, so you can select from here manually. Select this one and post. Document posted. Now let's see its impact. Again, go to display line item. Refresh this. See, it is cleared. DA. Let's receive the final payment. For this, I'm a little slow today. Okay. There is some issue with my mouse. Okay, go to document entry. Incoming payment address 28. Final payment account. Incoming amount. Value date is select your customer account. Right. Enter. Okay. See, not assigned amount is 0. 5 we have received already. And the total invoice was a 15. Post this. Now let's again go to customer line item display. Refresh the list. And now it is all green. All cleared item. So this is how we make the down payment. It is same for vendor and customer. I have shown you the customer part and you can do same for the vendor. Let me know if you guys have any questions.